Okay, so we're going to look a little bit at using algebra for word problems. Okay, please skim your notes and look back at them as you need to help you with problems like this. Okay, always read the entire problem. Try to figure out what you don't know, what it's asking you for, and use a statement like let x equal this, or you could assign a different letter that kind of applies to whatever the problem sounds like. Here's some little things for reading word problems. If you hear these little phrases, it might mean that you need to add. If you hear these phrases, you might need to subtract. So kind of as you read the problem, you can underline things that might help you out and add little notes. So underline the important points, and if helpful, write things down, draw a picture. So for this first problem, a dog kennel owner has 100 feet of fencing to enclose a rectangular dog run. She wants it to be 5 times as long as it is wide. Find the dimensions of the dog run. Okay, so I'm going to underline a couple things. I have 100 feet of fencing to enclose the entire dog run. So that means you would have something like this, and it would be 100 feet the whole way around. So this is telling me that that's talking about perimeter. Okay, what other information do we have? She wants it to be 5 times as long as it is wide. So you have your dog run here. Okay, I didn't probably draw this picture to go very well with this, but let's say we call this the width and this the length. This needs to be 5 times that. So as we work on our variables here, I'm going to right away say, let's say that W equals the width. Okay, so here's my W up here. L equals the length. I already had that labeled. Okay, and then the information that I have right here is that the length is 5 times the width. Okay, so that's a lot of the information that I have from this little statement right here. Now it's wanting to find what length and width are, which this doesn't give us enough information here. But I do know that the entire perimeter is 100. So if you remember back to perimeter when you had geometry, this would be if you add up all of the different sides together, would be perimeter. So perimeter right here would be width plus width plus length plus length. And now you can substitute in what you had over here. Keep the widths as widths. Instead of the length, I'm going to substitute in that each length is 5 times the width, equal to 100. Now you can combine like terms, which is all of those W's, and you get 1, 2, 7, 12. 12W equals 100. So solving for W by dividing each side by 12, you get 8.33 feet for the width. And if I multiply that by 5, I'm going to get the length of 41.67 feet.